272-LAWS.
Not one, not two, but 4 healthy babies were born at Banner Good Samaritan Hospital yesterday. Shocked and amazed, Karen Billingsley and her husband Justin learned they were going to have their first child after trying in vitro fertilization. But they weren't having just one.
As ready as I can be.
They were having 4, 2 boys and 2 girls.
Here's your first baby. Here's your A baby. This is now your B baby. Okay, here's the girl. Here's your D baby.
Emma, Logan, Zoe, and Christian were born yesterday afternoon.
I'm so glad that they're good. They're doing well.
The Emma weighing in at 1 pound 10 ounces. The biggest, Christian, at 3 pounds 3 ounces. Before the delivery, Mom was put on bed rest.
It was definitely challenging, but it went by a lot quicker than I thought. When I looked at it, like counting, like going, oh my gosh, I'm going to be on bed rest for 3 months, I thought, there's no way. And then when you break it down into, okay, well, it's only 12 weeks, then it went by a lot quicker.
And Mom is going to need that rest to keep up with 4 newborns. There's a chance they could have identical twins. Doctors will know in about 2 months for sure whether identical or not.
They each had their own placentas, so that means it could be either fraternal or identicals.
If they're identicals, they're going to get in a little bit more trouble. I mean, I can see them taking each other's tests at school.
But all in all, the Billingsleys are now just one big happy family. And those babies, those beautiful babies, are now being cared for at Phoenix Children's Hospital. We'll be right back with today's top stories on Good Evening Arizona at 5 o'clock.